Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing and it is another next box. And it is the Eye Essentials Beauty Box. It contains 6 products, it has a value of £80 and it costs £22. You'll find details down below in my description if you're interested in this for yourself. Plus, you'll find a link to all the other beauty boxes that NEXT have currently on their website. There's a couple of new ones. You might have seen a box I posted up last week, the travel edit, or something along those lines anyway. And there's a load more. There must be about 20 different beauty boxes on there. But you'll find that down below, as well as all my other links and discount codes and offers and any giveaways I've got running. So you're welcome to take a look there. But yeah, so let's get on to then showing you what's inside. I haven't opened it up yet. I just picked it up a little while ago. Cute little box. Ooh, we've got a card. We don't normally have a card with them. Okay, the Eye Essentials Beauty Box. Endless lashes, fluffy brows and perfect wings. You can have it all. Create dramatic looks with our all-new box of iconic makeup and skincare essentials from Iconic London, Pixi, Benefit and Nudestix, including a full-size eye cream from the INKEY List and a shiny new Eyeko Eyelash Curler for your handbag. So 4 out of the 6 products are full size. We got a Nudestix. This is sealed up. Hold on. This is a 3-in-1 eye stick, eyeshadow, primer and eyeliner, and this is in shade Burnish, so it's like a goldy brown, a gold. There, I have got quite a few different nude sticks. I might actually have the same colour, I don't know. I do really like them. They're really buttery smooth and really nice to blend out as well. Yeah, that's a gorgeous, gorgeous colour for like doing inner corner eye highlight. Yeah, I do like that. Magnetic Luminous Eye Colour. So there's that. Next we've got a mascara from Iconic London. This is the Enrich, and I can't read it. I have to read the leaflet. What are you? Enrich and Elevate Mascara, full size. The mascara that looks good and does good too, designed to create gravity-defying lashes for up to 14 hours. It also contains Simlash, an active growth agent to help strengthen and condition lashes from inside out. I love the mascaras. Well, the Triple Threat Mascara, I've had that a lot in different beauty boxes and advent calendars, and I do really, really like it. Ooh, and this looks very, very similar. Is the Triple Threat curved? Maybe not. But yeah, you can see it's slightly curved there. But it's such a good mascara, so hopefully this will be too. If you love Iconic London, then Look Fantastic are going to be bringing out a limited edition beauty box very soon. If you take a look in my community tab, the area where us YouTubers can post up like little posts and things to share with you, I post up a post called Daily Deals, and it's got the date, and then in there I put all the beauty news, any offers, freebies, new beauty boxes, things like that. I'll put them all in there then, so then I don't bombard you all with loads of posts. So it's just one post once a day. With it being half-term school holidays, and I went away for a couple of days as well, so I haven't kept on board with that. But I did do a massive post today, so if you go on there you'll see all the offers that I found on the internet, all the emails that I've got over the last week or so, and you will see the Iconic London and Look Fantastic waitlist link, so you can sign up to be notified when it does go live. But yeah, that was long-winded. I could have said that much more simplified, but never mind. Yeah, excited to give that a go. Love the Triple Threat Mascara. See what that does. Next we've got a eyeliner. This is Pixi by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen. And this is full size as well. A nice smudgy eyeliner. It's not the best. It is not the best. It does come off, but it's nice and smudgy. It's really nice and soft. So if you like a nice smoky eye look, then great, this is gorgeous. But if you're looking for a precise eyeliner look, then in my opinion anyway, from my experience of it, is that it does tend to smudge a bit. And it always makes me giggle when I read about the information. There's no smudge, no budge, waterproof liner is a dream to apply. Must be my eyes then. With a creamy longwear formula that'll create beautiful wings in a single sweep. So there's that. Sorry, this is not full size. It's a deluxe mini. Next, we've got full-size INKEY List. This is Brighten-I Cream. Formulated for all, instantly illuminates and blurs fine lines. Best for dull under eyes to help brighten instantly and over time. And there's 15 mils there. An illuminating under eye cream containing Brighten-Il, 4 times more brightening than vitamin C. This contains a molecule which is activated by your own skin to brighten skin tone over time. Always on the lookout for a nice eye cream. And they last blimmin' ages, don't they? Because you only need a tiny, tiny bit. So yeah, looking forward to trying that. Use day and night for brighter looking eyes. So you've got an eye cream by the INKEY List. Eyeko London. This is eyelash curlers. These are eyelash curlers, I should say. Curl and lift. There. Do you know something? Oh my word. I have always slated Eyeko London's mascaras. I've just not rated them. I've just thought that on my lashes, which are short, thin, straight. Yeah, they're not great. They're not great at all. But, oh my, I'm wearing it today. I can't remember what it's called. Endless Limits, I think it is. My camera went flat, so I decided to go and get the mascara that I was telling you about. It's Limitless. I can't remember where I got it, but I had it recently in the last month or two in a beauty box. This is Limitless Mascara. And I would buy this. I don't know how much it costs, but I would buy this again and again. It is so good. Look at the wand. This is amazing on my lashes. Really, really good. Anyway, back to the curlers. So these are Eyeko London curlers. So eyelash curlers. I have got a few of them, so I'll probably pass that on to my daughter. And then lastly in the box, we have got a mini or a sample. This is a Fluff Up Brow Wax by Benefit. You can see it's a brush and it's got like a glue type consistency. Yeah, I've used it. It's all right. I do actually like it. I tend to brush up my brows and then stick my brows down with my fingers. So I've got like a semi-laminated look to my brows. But yeah, what else can I tell you about it? Flexible, workable and flake-free. This wonder product coats brows with a thin layer of shea butter and argan oil infused wax for a boost of long-lasting texture and volume. So there you go. Those are all the products inside. I forgot the name of the box. The Eye Essentials beauty box from Next. We've got an INKEY List Brighten-I Cream. We've got some eye curlers from Eyeko London. We've got an Enrich Elevate Mascara from Iconic London. We've got a Pixi by Petra Endless Smoky Eye Pen in black. We've got a Nudestix 3-in-1 eye pencil in shade Burnish. And we've got a Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. The cost of the box is £22 and it has a value of £80. Love the eye cream, love the mascara, or excited to try the mascara. This little brow wax is handy, I already use it. Overall, a really nice box I wanted to get for a couple of things for me and also so I can share with you. I'd love to hear your thoughts though. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it for yourself or are you watching this for the first time wondering, shall I, shan't I? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.